What's up guys? On this video I'm going to be swapping out my third brake light on my 5th gen 4Runner. So it's hard to see because it is all flushed in black, but this is the third brake light on the 4Runner. And I'm going to be actually swapping it out with the Cartrimhome version. This is another version that's available that is blacked out versus the red or the white OEM version. Now this one is a bit different from this one that I purchased off of Amazon because it is a bit lighter in shade. The only complaint that I had about this third brake light is that it is super dark and blacked out. It's not really a problem when you're in the dark because it does have an LED sequence that you're able to spot it. But I just overall didn't want this completely blacked out. I actually wanted some tone to it so that it could match the taillights. So this is a nice addition. But again, guys, this is just preference. They both work well. I've heard some negative reviews about this particular brake light that people said that the fitment is not good. But I did have this installed myself and it was a good fitment. The only trick is you don't want to tighten it all the way up. You want to make sure that they're both lined up before you screw it on. So I didn't have any issues with fitment at all. So I'm perfectly happy with this one, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the sequence, and then I'm going to show you guys the sequence once I swap it out to the Cartrimhome version. So let's go ahead and take a look at the current sequence with this blacked out version that I purchased from Amazon. So let's go. So as you guys can see, there's a sequence when you're braking. I particularly like that. It helps drivers pay attention to my surroundings, but I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out to see if this is a different sequence. And we're also gonna see overall the fitment of this and how easy it is to install. And so far guys, looking at this one, the quality is actually very, very good. The plastic is in great shape, great condition. You can see through the tinted lenses, but it is very, very subtle. I personally like this shade a lot better. And this is optional. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's a pretty simple plug and play with this wire. So let's go ahead and get this installed. I'm gonna go ahead and get my drill. It's a Phillips. All right, simple pinch. Let's take a closer look at both of these together. Again, this is the blacked out version. Let's line them up together. Same fit. Let me put them closer. But one is completely blacked out. The plastic feels just about the same. I wouldn't say one quality is better than the other so far. It's just pretty much preference. But let's go ahead and get this installed. Very basic. Just go ahead and clip it on. It plugs. It's a plug and play. There you go. Make sure that all the wires are tucked in, or else you will see the wires protruding from the top. There guys, it is a nice fit. Gonna get my drill. Now I would actually recommend using a screwdriver because this is plastic, it is a sensitive piece, but I'm gonna just carefully drill it in. Make sure you guys are not over tightening because it will break. Let's go and take a look at the sequence now that I have that installed. So there you have it, guys. That is the install on the third brake light from Cartrimhome. Make sure you guys take advantage of my coupon code PL7P to get 7% off and free shipping as always. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.